So, this is the second ever episode of Record, Review, Repeat Food Reviews since May 2017 when I did the first episode. Now I've got a few things to do. Don't know what that was. Hold on a second, sanitary purposes. I gotta wash my hands, so I kinda just... Play intermission. Play intermission right now. And we're back. Anyway, wash my hands. Now, I've never had this chocolate by Nestle. Choquito. This is gonna be interesting. What the heck is... Look at this! Oh. Look at that. No idea what this is gonna be like. That's interesting. It's got an interesting taste. Now, I'm going to pause right now to give whoever's reacted to this a chance to tell their fans how much they think this is going to be rated out of 1 to 10. Keep in mind, this will not be compared to first reviewed, rather to just chocolate and, you know, the things from the supermarket. Anyway, what would I give this out of 1 to 10? Oh, it's quite nice. I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10 because it's really nice. Okay, we're done with that. And we have another chocolate. Kit Kat Chunky. It's got chocolate fudge, cookies of cream, and gooey caramel all in one chocolate bar. Oh wow, how interesting is that? It says best of the best. Wow. I'm going to hold you to that one, buddy. Okay. Jeez. First of all, it's hard to even open. Okay. Okay, so I believe I did chocolate fudge. I'm not going to go through the whole chocolate bar. But, what would I rate? Kit Kat Junky. Wait for everything. Did I say junky? No, I mean chunky. Now, how much would I rate it out of 1 to 10? Are you reacting to this? How are you fans right now? Pause it. What would I give it? Out of 1, out of 10. I'll give the chocolate bar a good solid, well, it's not as best as the other one in my opinion. It's certainly not the best of the best. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It just weren't that great. Looks like half the pack is gone just as soon as me opening it. I hate how they do that. Anyway, let's try this. That's good. That's great. Why would I give it out of 1 to 10? Pause it right now. But why would I give it out of 1 to 10? It's really good. I think it's better than Doritos. We all know how much I like Doritos. So, this has got to be the best for me out of the pack. I would give it out of 1 to 10, an 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10. Oh, jeez. Sweat is a hot day. The sweat was just going flying around. I have a feeling sweat's gonna be flying once more. Oh man. The main event of the night. Where is it? Oh, there it is. The main event of the night. The first time ever doing Warheads from America. I mean, New Zealand. Find flip. What? It says flip top flip open top. Oh, like that. I don't know what this is even going to be like. Ah, god damn it! God, why am I sweating so much? It went in my eye. Ah! 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 Oh god! Oh. Well, out of the sour factor, out of 1 to 5, I'll give it a fucking 4.5. Of the sour factor. I mean, I don't think much of it faster than it hit you. But because I'm an idiot, and because I need a headline, I'm gonna do something perhaps maybe I shouldn't do at all. Maybe I'm gonna do something I should not do at all. Okay, but oh god. Alright, now it's hit me. One thing, what would happen if I put this in there and put this? And that might happen. This has been United Once with the second ever episode of Record, Review, Repeat. Food, reviews, and I am out. Queens.